Hello friends. From this video you will learn how to soak cucumber seeds so that they germinate quickly. You got fast shoots and strong shoots. And to do this, you just need to soak the seeds in the right solution, which I will actually tell you about now. The first solution that I recommend you to use for soaking seeds. This is potassium humate, and I will explain why. I've been using it for years, and not just for soaking seeds. It is suitable for root and foliar fertilizing of seedlings. And the humate itself is an environmentally friendly humic acid, which is produced as a result of the alkaline hydrolysis reaction. I don't think it means anything to you. But the most important thing is that the result speaks for itself, and to soak the seeds you will need only 1 milliliter of humic acid diluted in 100 milliliters of water. The water should be warm, and it will be enough for you to soak the seeds for 2 hours. In general, look at the seeds. As soon as they are saturated with moisture and become thick, then you can already get the seeds, dry them and plant them. Even in the open ground, even in pots, it all depends on the weather conditions where you live. Well, the second recipe, I think for most it will be more acceptable and accessible. This is soaking the seeds in hydrogen peroxide. Since there are oxygen atoms in its formula, it is an excellent oxidizer, and also an excellent antiseptic. So this tool will not only accelerate the germination of seeds, since hydrogen peroxide perfectly softens the seed shell and you get fast seedlings, and also if seeds of unknown origin, for example, were shared with you by neighbors, or you collected the seeds yourself, then there is a high probability that pathogens of fungi are present on them, and hydrogen peroxide will destroy them all, and when the first shoots appear, they will grow clean and strong. And here it is even easier to prepare the solution. We take the usual 3% hydrogen peroxide. Take any shallow container, pour the seeds there and pour pure undiluted hydrogen peroxide in such a layer that the seeds overlap with it by at least 5 millimeters, and it also needs 2 hours to soak in hydrogen peroxide. And at the end of the video, a couple of tips for you. The first is to soak the seeds, even if they are purchased, even if they are collected independently, only those that have not been pre-processed. But if you purchase the seeds, opened the package and saw that they have a color different from the natural color of the seeds, or they are in a shell, such seeds should not be soaked, since they have already been pre-sown and are ready for planting in the ground. You will get already fast shoots. The second tip, when you immerse the seeds in hydrogen peroxide or potassium humate and part of the seeds sank immediately to the bottom, and the second part floats on the surface, do not rush to think that all the seeds that did not drown means they are bad. Within half an hour, their shell will become soft and they will sink. And only after this time, the part of the seeds that will remain floating on the surface means they are spoiled. It makes no sense to plant them because you won't get any shoots from them. And you plant only those that have sunk to the bottom. So friends to whom the information from this video was useful, be sure to like it. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and also subscribe to my channel so as not to miss the release of new videos. I wish you a good day. See you in the new videos.